Ngayong araw ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano ninyo ipapa-escalate ang inyong mga visa. Lalo-lalo naman sa mga nagpasa ng kanilang mga 221G documents. Ayan, yung mga na-approve na sa interview, tapos hiningan kayo ng mga 221G documents. Ayan, merong mga ways para maipa-escalate ninyo ang inyong mga visa processing, ang inyong mga visa cases. At i-discuss natin ito dito sa video na to. And by the way, if you're new to our channel, you can subscribe to support us and also hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga latest videos. And also you can share our videos, and ayan, thank you very much and good luck to the visa processing. From here, we will start about your visa escalation. Pay attention, guys. I-explain muna natin what is visa escalation. A visa escalation is a request to prioritize a visa application for urgent assessments. What does visa escalation mean? Escalation fast tracks you to the front of the line, but it doesn't guarantee approval. So, ayan guys, hindi ibig sabihin na nagpa-escalate kayo ng inyong mga cases is approved na kayo agad after ng kanilang assessment. It doesn't guarantee your visa approval. So, you just need to wait, be patient, the same as what you were doing before you did the escalation. When can you request for escalation? You can ask for escalation once your visa status at the CAC website has no updates for the last 10 days. So, ito guys, nalaman ko to nung tumawag ako sa operator, nung sinabi ko na pwedeng ipa-escalate yung aming case. So, in-explain niya na we can only do escalation of your case once your CAC visa status hasn't changed for the last 10 days. Walang update sa inyong mga visa status sa CAC website. Ayan guys. Ayan, pakatandaan nyo. Bago kayo magpa-escalate ng inyong mga cases, you need to check your CAC website visa status. Who can request for visa escalation through phone? Ito, through phone call. Ayan, visa applicants, petitioners, or legal representatives like your lawyers can be the one to ask for escalation of the visa processing. What are the information that you need to provide during the request for the escalation? So, eto guys, these are vital informations as a visa applicant, or if you're the petitioner, you should know this to provide to the operator once asked. You know, the full name of the applicant, birth date, email address, passport number, case number, and the date interviewed. If your case is under 221G, you will be asked, when did you send your 221G documents, and when was your case last updated at the CAC website. So if you're having a difficult time, difficult chances to be connected to the live operator at the US Visa Help Desk, there are other ways to request for escalation. First, you have to log into your CGI account where you schedule your biometrics and interview appointment. So, natatandaan nyo naman siguro yan. Ayan, dyan kayo nag-book ng inyong biometrics at interview. Create a case number by using the feedback and request. Doon, pwede nyong i-provide ang compelling reasons for urgent allocation. Bakit nila kayo kailangang ilagay sa unahan ng mga pinaprocess nilang visa? Ayan, you must demonstrate compelling personal or visa circumstances, humanitarian factors, or matters of national interest. And explain nyo lang bakit kailangang escalate yung inyong mga cases. At saka kasama na rin yung sabihin nyo na wala ngang updates sa inyong mga cases sa CAAC websites for the last 10 days. Isa rin yung sa valid reason. Ayan guys. So what happens next after you request for the escalation of your case? The visa escalation team will assess your request, and then you will be notified via email within 2 to 5 working days. After 2 to 5 working days, you will receive an email about the escalation of your case with your escalation case number and instructions. In my case, na-receive ko yung kanilang email after 2 days. Ayan. At doon, bibigay nila yung mga instructions. Ayan, log into your CGI account and again, open the feedback and request. You will see resolution reply provided by US Visa Service Desk. Ayan, doon nga nila ipapaliwanag yung naging assessment nila or still the escalation is being done by the or still the escalation case is on process. Here's the sample reply that I received from them. Ayan, resolution. Dear applicant, thank you for writing to the US Visa Service Desk. We understand that you are trying to check your visa application. Please be advised that your case has been escalated and is still on process. We will notify you once there is an update in the case. In addition, you may refer to yung case number for your reference. Have a pleasant day. Sincerely, US Visa Service Desk. That's the sample reply. Ayan, yan yung kanilang reply doon sa request and feedback. Dito naman sa next na slide ay ang aming timeline. You will see, ayan, yung from interview, ayan, after interview, approve ako sa interview. Pagkatapos ay sa visa status ko sa CEAC website is refused. And then naka-receive ako ng 221G letter, January 17. Tapos na-send ko naman yung kailangan nilang documents na 221G ng January 23. Ayan, tapos ito yung makikita niyo yung mga refuse status namin. Ayan, nagpalit-palit siya ng status. Tapos nag-antay ako ng 10 days na walang changes sa CAAC website. Tapos February 21, ayan, nag-request na ako ng escalation. And then February 24, nag-change ulit yung status namin sa CAAC website to refuse. And then after 4 days, ayan, February 28, ayan, yung aming CAAC website visa status ay nag-change to approve. Ayan, naisulat ko pa yung time, nailagay ko pa 1:30 p.m. Ayan, approve. Tapos kinabahan na naman ako kasi na yung 2:55 nag-change to ready. Tapos ayan, nagantay na naman ako ng ilang days. Tapos March 3, issued na yung aming visa. Ayan, tapos March 5, ayan, naka-receive na ako ng email na pwede ko nang i-pick up yung aking visa sa NVC, ayan, dito sa Manila. So, ayan guys, yung inyong visa na, for example, inyong visa for pick up, makikita nyo rin yan sa US Visa Scheduling sa inyong CGI account na ready for pick up na ang inyong mga visa, or you can receive an email na pwede nyo nang i-receive ang inyong mga, or ayan, kunin ang inyong mga visa dito sa National Visa Center sa may Parañaque. Ayan, I hope these informations helped. Ayan, and good luck to everyone who is undergoing the same long waiting. Ayan, good luck, and soon you will have your visa on hand and you will be closing the distance from your loved ones. And thank you so much for watching.